Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I have my Walmart beauty box for spring, I guess. Spring 2025. Just so you know, I did cancel this box the day after it hit my credit card basically because I forgot to cancel. I meant to cancel earlier. If you have not been following along, I kind of mentioned it, but I'm on a low buy no buy this year just because I have a lot of stuff and a lot of things are up in the air right now. So I have this box. It is about $7-ish per season and it comes out seasonally. The reason why I canceled is number one, I told you, low buy no buy and a lot of things are up in the air. But then also this box is very highly unpredictable. I've had some really good ones and some I can't even tell you how horrendous the boxes were. So it's kind of more like gambling and I don't really like gambling. There are usually sample sizes in here, but every once in a while you get a full-size product. And I have version 4. So that's the other reason. So again, I mentioned it's kind of like gambling, but they have so many different versions. So it's always unpredictable. Like literally unpredictable, and they don't have spoilers. So, oh, if you missed it, Allure Beauty Box spoilers are up on the channel for April. So if you want to cancel, I think by the time this goes up, yeah, tomorrow will be the last day of March. So if you want to cancel the April box, make sure you cancel, because if you don't cancel by April 1st, you'll be getting that box. Okay, anyway, let me get started here. I would say when I picked this up, I was like, oh, it sounds like I got a travel-sized deodorant, like a spray one, because it sounded like a metal can. I don't know if you can hear that in there. It also sounds like, let's play a game. I literally don't know what's in here. It sounds like, number one, there's like a metal can deodorant, but now that I'm saying it out loud, when I picked it up, that's what it sounded like, but now it doesn't sound like it. But there's also like the sticker, which means that it's something flammable, I think. It also sounds like perhaps there's like a eyeliner pencil or something like that in there. I don't know. Let's see. What do you think it sounds like? Leave a comment below. Pause the video before I open. No, I just kind of heard the metal can, so I think it is a little sample deodorant. I hate getting those because I don't actually use, I hate spray deodorant, number one. Number two, I don't really use deodorant, so it's kind of useless. But it is every once in a while nice to have for vacation because, you know, maybe you need it. Let's see. Okay, so got the little brochure. So in the brochure, they usually have some of the items that are in here, so I'll go through it in full detail at the end of the video and try to do calculations. Let me know if those are even useful, not that it matters because I canceled, but I try to do calculations on how much value it is because again, I only paid $7. Oh my god, this box is terrible. So good thing I canceled. So yeah, it does have a deodorant in there, a can spray deodorant. I'm also upset because it has a perfume sample that apparently is missing because it ain't in there. I can't even tell you what it smells like. So let's open this box. Oh, there was some actually good stuff and I just didn't get any of them. So what a bummer. There was this perfume which is in here. So this is the Steve Madden Goldie Eau de Parfum. The full size is 1 ounce or $19.97 value. I didn't know Steve Madden made stuff other than shoes that make my feet hurt and like handbags that have too much branding on them. So this is supposed to be a 0.05 fluid ounces or 1.5 milliliters. And again, it's missing, so I can't tell you. It says that it's a dairy and confident, intoxicating floral woody fragrance. So I could tell you that one would not be in my profile. So at least I didn't miss out on that. The next product, this one I'm actually okay with. So I just edited the video from last year actually where I was queuing to go to the Bubble pop-up and it like sold out when I was like maybe 15 people from the front, so they didn't have free samples anymore. So I've been kind of curious about this brand, but this is the Bubble Soft Launch Hydrating Cream Cleanser and the full size is $14.98 with 4.2 fluid ounces. And let me see if I have any info in here. Apply to damp skin. Okay, it's a cleanser. What, 2 to 3 pumps? That's so much. It appears not to have any fragrance. Basically, I was on the line with a bunch of like Gen Zers and they were telling me about the product and I think a lot of them really like it. I'm guessing from social media, maybe TikTok, it went viral. I don't know. Every time I don't know something, I just straight out say it's TikTok. So this one I'm actually okay with because I don't have that many cleansers that are like little travel sizes, and this is a cream cleanser which I actually kind of like more in the summertime. Foaming ones I really like in the winter for some reason, but cream ones I like in the summer. I don't know. It's probably backwards about what you're supposed to like. So yet again, another little sample deodorant. Also, I've never used one of these up because, again, I don't really use deodorant like that. But this is the Dove Cool Essentials Dry Spray, $7.97 for 3.8 fluid ounces, and this one is 1 ounce. It's TSA approved because it's a small, teeny weeny little size. I would say that this one I've gotten like 18,000 times, and I don't like the smell of the cucumber lasts forever. And if I use deodorant, I don't want people to know that I use deodorant, you know? But, yeah, sometimes the cap is broken, but this one is not broken, so that's happy. But yeah, another deodorant. I'm sorry, I'm a bummer today. Again, I'm going through stuff, so it's like, I was kind of excited for this because I was like, maybe I'll get something good. I am actually happy for this. So this one is one of my mainstays in my skincare routine. So let me take it out of the bag. As I mentioned, I have been using this one and I actually do prefer the blue top. I know a lot of people really like the pink top, but I like the blue top one because I wear a lot of waterproof makeup. So this one is the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water from Waterproof Makeup. The full size is $8.97 or 13.5 ounces. I would say, however, in the city, by that I mean in New York City, at CVS, it is not $8.97. So that is a Walmart price from the middle of America because no. Anyway, I do like this, and again, I don't have any micellar water in small containers, and again, this is like the actual one I would grab. By the way, I did buy recently the CVS, like, what brand is this even? It is whatever their house brand is. Yeah, CVS Beauty. But I bought this because I had like $7 in free credits from CVS, like their coupons. So I got this for free, but that's how I know this one was not $8.97 because I would have paid $1.97 out of pocket to get my true favorite brand. I haven't used this one yet, so anyway, I don't know if it's comparable or not. The final item, I mean, this one's useful, but again, I get this all the time. This is the Mighty Patch Original 6 Hydrocolloid Patches. I would say that this is fine to get for free, but I would also probably never pay the full price for the Mighty Patch because in my opinion, it doesn't work any better than the other hydrocolloid patches that I use, that I buy in like 108 packs from TJ Maxx. So it is what it is. These are kind of nice though because it is 6, so you can just throw it in your bag for travel. This was a bad box, but I mean it's useful, but it was not a great box. So I'm sorry, such a bummer. I know I'm a bummer here. But I would say that in here there were some other items. They have the Sally Hansen Salon Effects Perfect Press-On Nails, $7.48 for it. It says it comes in 30 different designs, made to care for your nails. Kit comes with vitamin E and B5 infused glue and adhesive tabs for a secure yet non-damaging fit. So my guess is eventually there will be a pop-up in the city and I can get them for free. Most of my stuff was on this card. The one thing that I did not get was the NYX Professional Makeup Duck Plump Gloss. Shades may vary. $12.97 for 1 count. So these are like past favorites. I was gonna say though, is anyone actually being like, oh my gosh, this is a past customer favorite, a spray deodorant? Truly do you exist? Let me know. Again, I just don't really smell, so I don't really use deodorant, so it always sucks when I get them. Because at this point I have like 4 or 5 of these, and I even left some in hotels because I wasn't going to use them and they were like taking up too much space. And then I have some of the Degree ones. I don't know. Anyway, what a bummer of a video that was. I mean, I will use them. It's just like, you know, I wanted something fun. It would have been nice to try this NYX Makeup Duck Plump Gloss because I'm trying all of the other ones because I went to that Maybelline pop-up, and actually I really like those plumping glosses. They kind of do burn, but yeah. Anyway, let me know what you think about this box below. Let me know if you got the box and you got a better variation because again, I got variation 4, and from previous times I think it goes up to like 20 or 30 because I think one time I even got like a 27 or something. I can't remember. You'll have to look back on the videos. But let me know if you would continue getting this box or if you wouldn't. I do think maybe $7 wasn't... No, actually $7 is pretty bad for what I got now that I say it out loud. Because they're all samples, and they're all like teeny tiny samples too. It's not like a, you know, deluxe sample size. Plus I got one thing that wasn't even in the box. So yeah, what a bummer. I did waste money this month. No more though. I did cancel. Anyway, thanks for watching. Follow me over Instagram at eat-stretch-explore. I am also still trying to get out vlogs. I don't know. It's kind of crazy right now at work, and also I'm going through some other stuff personally. So I don't know if I'm gonna continue doing the vlogs or not, because also people don't watch them, so there's no point. And I do understand it's because I don't have a niche, which is fine as well, because I'm also not trying to go viral. Like, if more than like 30 people watch a video, I kind of get sweaty. So anyway, thanks for watching. Follow me over on Instagram, as I mentioned, and I will talk to you again soon.